I'm going to show you, if you have a broken bracket, how to open the door and then take it off the wire. Then I'm going to show you how, if you have a pokey wire, how you can trim that. Or if you have a wire that has slid, how to trim that and then take the wire out. If you have an Invisalign attachment off, if there's just one and the tray still fitting perfectly, then you are all good. If there are 4 or 5 attachments off, we would like to see you back for a TLC appointment with a clean new tray that we can re-add those attachments on. If the doctor has specified that one attachment needs to stay on there, please schedule a TLC appointment so we can get that on with a clean new set of trays. If your Invisalign tray is rough in any spot, I will show you how you can file it down with a nail file. If you cannot solve your concerns, you can go onto our website and there is an emergency on-call line. You will be connected with one of our doctors where they can help guide you through it.